Hello friends and fellow SAP consultants, welcome back to my channel Learn SAP with Prashant. So, have you ever opened a Postman for the first time and thought what I'm even looking at? Let's see, this is a Postman app, let's open it. So, when you open a Postman, a blank get and absolutely no clue where to start. If that sounds like you, don't worry. Even I also felt the same thing when I opened Postman for the first time when I learned Postman. So in this video, I'll explain what Postman is and why every SAP functional consultant best to learn it and how it helps you to work with SAP APIs. All in simple language, no coding. Let's get started. So what exactly is a Postman? Like we can say a Postman is an API testing tool. Think of it as a laboratory where you can test APIs before they are used by real applications. Let's take a real world example of in this digital world where S4HANA systems are integrated with a Shopify, Hybris, Salesforce, or a customer portal or mobile application. Let's say when a customer creates a sales order in Hybris or Shopify, that request travels through APIs into SAP. So before that integration goes live, someone has to test everything. So this is where a Postman becomes your best friend. You can test every scenario even before the developer writes the final application or code. Like in my experience, I also felt the same thing. What is this blank screen, send, what all these? So my experience when I first started learning APIs using Postman, I made every possible mistakes. Like I used to get many error codes like 401, unauthorized, 403, forbidden, 404, not found, CSRF token validation failed, authentication errors, SSL errors. Like at first, those messages looked very scary to me. But today, they are simply clues that help me to solve the problem. That's the journey with a Postman. It's confusing in the beginning, but once it clicks, you will wonder you ever worked without it. So learning Postman will be the best investment so that you can understand APIs very well, troubleshoot the issues faster, and validate the integrations confidently and communicate effectively with the developers. So let's learn about the Postman. This is the home screen of the Postman. So here you can see the blank box which is URL. Okay, this is where the address which needs to be entered. Let's say some enter which is an URI which lacks like an address. Like example, if you want to go to your friend's house, you need their address. So similarly, if Postman wants to get data from SAP, it needs the address of the SAP API. So if you see here, this is the base URL connecting to my system, and this is the API sales order underscore SRV, and this is the entity, and this is the sales order number where I'm trying to get the details of this sales order in the format JSON. So in URL, this is just example. And similarly, if Postman wants to get data from SAP, it needs the address that is this URL. Okay, and this is the method which is a get to get the details. If you want to post, create the sales order. If you want to put, you are making some changes or editing the sales order like that. Okay, and next we'll see this is the parameters like in which format you want. JSON means you are expecting the JSON to give the output in this format. Let's go to authorization. It means you need to tell who you are, what you are. Like when you want to enter into SAP, you need to login. So here you need to enter your authorization, your SAP username and password. Okay, and this is headers. It is the special request or special instructions which you are giving to SAP. Like you need my authorization in my output in this method like that in JSON format or XML format like those things. And in the body, normally for get request, the body usually will be empty. But when you want to post or create a sales order, we need to place all the sales order information inside the body. So this is about the important fields on the Postman, and this is in this response section. Once SAP receives your request, it will think for a few seconds and sends answer back. That answer you will be finding in this section. So this is about the basic what we can say about Postman homepage. So before, let's click and send a get request where this is the complete URI where I am instructing the Postman go to the SAP and get me the sales order details like sales order which starts with DE70000000118. So let's click on send, but before that check we have maintained all these authorizations, okay, username, password, and our correct URL address. If you don't give your correct URL, the chances is that you will be landed with errors like going to a wrong address. So click on send. Just wait and see the response. See here, the SAP has came out with the response reply instantly. So SAP as this Postman has get the details for the sales order, the ending with 1118, its sales order type, sales area. Let's see whether the sales order exists in SAP or not. Go to SAP, enter the sales order number, press enter. See, the sales order is there with two line items. Let's see. Or Postman app. So scroll down, you'll see the entire data. Okay, if you want to add item level, pricing level details, you can add them in the parameters where by adding the key, expand. So like that, you will get the details. So if you like this video, hope you like this video and it help you to understand what Postman is and why it's so important for SAP Functional Consultant. If you find this video useful, like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel, Learn SAP with Prashant. Thank you for watching. We'll see you back in our next video, more about using Postman. Thank you.